Hey crafters, it's me Jen Evers with Quality Crafts, and welcome back to another 1 in 10 by Jen from Mailbox to Masterpiece. Today we're doing week number 178, brought to us by Kathy Webb. So thank you so much, Kathy, for sending in your things. I'm going to go ahead and get this card base ready. I usually do a card base ahead of time. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. And we're going to check out what she sent in here. It says do not bend, and it's got a lot of like hefty stuff that I feel. And there's another envelope here. What's in here? Oh my goodness. Holy cow, look at all this fun stuff, you guys. Oh my word. Okay, so there's You Are Such a Blast, Far Out, all kinds of little like scenery for outer space kind of thing, including little stars. We've got extra of that paper. We even have some little aliens here. We've got some more sparkly paper and space paper. Wow. Black paper, and I don't know what this is, but some kind of artsy paper. It almost looks like, oh, check it out. Even some cardboard. Oh, Cosmic Shimmer. She wanted to see if I could use Cosmic Shimmers on this. Gosh, Cosmic Shimmers. Okay. We'll have to see. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do that if I'm doing a full card. We'll see how this all works out. I probably could do some Cosmic Shimmer on here. Not really sure how you wanted me to work that into the card. But I'm just going to go ahead and do my regular 1 in 10. And then maybe in the end I'll throw in some Cosmic Shimmer on there. How's that sound? Alright, so let's get started. I'm wondering how these are going to look on this. So this is pretty stinking cool. Versus just putting it on something black or this, which is awesome. I'm almost thinking I'm going to opt for the black and the shine instead of that other background. So let me go ahead and cut this down. That way I've got a starting point of a black background. I got some tape on here. I'm going to get rid of that. And then before I add that stuff, let's go ahead and glue this down. Tape this down, rather. You can always cut off the bottom, so let's start at the top here. Try to cover up all that white. There's a little bit of white around the edge. I think that's great. I'm not going to worry about it. I am going to add this because I'll be able to cut that off then. Go ahead and chop that so I can add some to the other side, and we're going to make this look as spacey as we can. So use all that plus a little bit on this side. That'll look different. Let's do that. That's like super different. That'll cover up a little bit of the white. Alright, let's put all these out here so we can see which ones we really want to use. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. And then there's that little, what you call it, you know what, let's use this guy. Let's just put him right here on the edge. Maybe pop him up a little bit. Just gonna make this up as I go. We're just gonna kind of create this scene. That looks good. And then You Are Such a Blast. So cute. Some of these pieces are really big, so I might just kind of put them offsetting or That looks really cool. I can put in a couple of these guys. That one is really neat. Okay, let's just start with a couple and see how we go with this, because I'd like to cut this guy out. Where's my little scissors? Let's see, what time? Oh, I got 6 minutes. Okay. Like, do I have time to fussy cut this out? I hope so. I wish that I had the ability to get out. I have little markers that are like metallic, sort of. That because this paper is gray, would probably turn out really metallic-y looking. Like if you put it on white, it doesn't look that great, but if you put it on darker colors, it starts to look really cool. Sorry I was out of frame. All I'm doing is just fussy cutting this guy. Try not to make it take too long, because I still want to play around with this scenery. This is so cute and so fun. Kathy Webb, I'm really glad you sent this in. Don't forget, if you guys want to be a part of this, you can too. Just join us on Quality Crafts on Facebook and we will get you hooked up. So this guy, I want to put like he's coming off of this. He's coming off that planet. And I'm going to have to pop him up so that he's not like, yeah. It's just going to make more sense if he's popped up. Cool. Okay, and then little bitty dabs for these guys. And then this guy. I should have used my sticky specs, but to be honest, I don't know where they are right now. So as soon as I get those back into place where I used to have them, probably won't be using them at this moment. Which is a bummer. Then you don't get glue marks all over your black. But we'll live. Get rid of some of these little scrappy doos. These pieces are a little bit too big, but I am saving those. Oh my goodness, because they're so cool. I don't know if I even want to put on... Gosh, I don't even want to put these guys on there because everything's so black and shiny and cool. See that? See how I got a little bit of glue mark there? Let's see if my eraser will zap some of that. Yay, it kind of worked. You can still see it picking up on camera, but in person it's almost disappeared. Let's see. Yeah, totally lighter. Way better. Okay, and then we'll use this as a sentiment and we will pop this up as well. You're such a blast. That is going to make a really cool, like, kid. Let's put a strip of this in here too. Bring some of that fun stuff to the inside. And then maybe because everything... I wonder if I could... Oh, I don't have any... Darn it. Let's see. What do I have? 2 minutes won't be enough. I know it won't. I'm going to have to fussy cut it and hope for the best. That is going to be a lopsided circle for sure. Yeah, you know what? I'm not happy with that. And that's okay to be unhappy with something. It is okay. I'm going to put this in here instead. So let's go ahead and line this up. I'm going to have a lot left over, which is going to be so cool. Okay, let's get these last few parts on the inside. And decide where I want this piece. Do I want it on the top? Oh gosh, yes I do. That looks really cool. I have it just a little bit hanging over the edge. So I'm going to cut those pieces off. This one I'm going to throw away, but I'm going to keep that big piece. So all this stuff I'm going to keep. We're going to hang on to that. So I'm just going to take that last couple of seconds here to just do a little bit of cleanup. That will be saved. And so this one came from Kathy Webb. Thank you so much. This was super fun, really cool. You don't always have to send in matching stuff. Obviously, if you want to take the role of trying to stump me, that's awesome too. I totally enjoy those kind of challenges. Let's go ahead and just stop that since I finished the card. That is a really stellar card, and you know, the little pieces that she gave me were enough to create an awesome scene, and we've got this terrific inside to go along with it. So what I do now is I stamp my information on the back and I send this out to Kathy Webb. So if you're participating, you get the card that I make. So if that sounds fun to you, join us on the group. We'd love to have you. If you have any other questions, definitely check out our calendar and schedule so you know what's going on. It's all located at Quality Crafts, all one word, all lowercase, .com, and I cannot wait to see you guys next video.